Would you recommend using pine straw or shredded hardwood for mulching around your plants? What do you think about that, Doc?
Well, I think either one's all right. It kind of, kind of depends on the area and the conditions. You know, pine straw is usually, this was like, pine straw.
Yeah, pine straw.
Pine straw is, it doesn't wash. So if you've got a place that it tends to wash, you would rather have the pine straw. But now the bark is fine. You know, it's very both of these are very decorative to me. Of course, the pine straw is going to break down quicker, so you'd have to maybe replenish it more often. But they're both very, very pretty mulches. And the pine bark or hardwood, shredded hardwood is fine too, but it wants to tend to float away. But it stays longer. If it's not going to float away, it'll stay there longer than the pine straw. So either's fine,
yeah,
really.
Either's fine. Good organic material, both.
Yeah.
Which can be used by the soil.
Right, and some people are concerned about affecting pH with that, but that's that's sort of a minor long-term thing, I think. They're really not a big deal.
Yeah, because there's always the question about using pine straw around azaleas.
Yeah, exactly.
Rhododendrons and things like that.
Right.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.